My bank account says this should be the last box for a while. Yeah, it just needs to rest. So this should be the last one. This is from Warbonnet. This is my overquilt. And I wasn't intending on getting an overquilt so soon, but they had one that met my specifications except for color in their returned category for a discount. So I thought, well, I could handle blue. I don't mind blue. So blue it is. Gosh, this stuff is so soft. Like you have no idea how soft this stuff is. Anyway, so it'll be black on the innards, blue on the outs, and a zippered foot box. So I should have almost no reason to be chilly. Also, it's stuff sack, another sticker, and a little bag I picked up for my tent stakes. That's it. That should be enough to get me going for, you know, years and years. So thanks for paying attention to all these unboxings. Oh, Memphis really thinks she ought to smell this one. And I look forward to setting it all up with you.